In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to publish Replit app on App Store. We'll take your existing Replit project, package it for iOS using a no-code wrapper, and get it ready to submit through Apple's tools. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without surprises. Start by opening your project in Replit. Make sure your app is already published as a live web app. This is important because we'll need the public URL. Click Republish to push your latest changes so the live version reflects what you want to ship. When you see the hosted link in Replit, click it to open the live site in a new tab. Confirm it loads correctly on both desktop and mobile views, then copy the full URL from the address bar. You'll use this link to wrap your web app into a native iOS app. Next, head over to Median, a service that converts web apps into mobile apps. Paste the URL you just copied, then provide an app name and a contact email. Median will use the URL to render your web app inside a native container, which is exactly what you need for iOS distribution. Click Start Building My App. The system will fetch your site and prepare the build environment. Give it a moment to load everything. Keep your browser open and avoid navigating away until the preview and settings are ready. Once your project interface is loaded, look at the right-hand panel and scroll down until you find the download section. This is where you can access platform-specific builds. Under the iOS area, click Build to generate the iOS package. When the build completes, choose Install if you want to try it on a device right away, or proceed to download the generated IPA file for distribution. If you test it, verify key flows like login, navigation, and any external links to ensure everything behaves as expected in a mobile context. Now it's time to prepare for the App Store. Go to Apple's developer page and enroll in the Apple Developer Program. There's an annual fee. After your account is active, open App Store Connect. Create a new app record, then upload your IPA and fill in all required app details. This typically includes your app name, description, category, keywords, support and marketing URLs, age rating, privacy information, and screenshots. Make sure your icons and splash assets meet Apple's size guidelines, and that the bundle identifier in your build matches what you set in App Store Connect. When everything looks correct, submit for review and monitor the status in App Store Connect. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.